Hey guys, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. I took a break, but why did I take a break? That's the whole point about this video. So I know nobody asked me to make this video. Nobody wants to know why, but I just want to share why was I away and not making any videos with my YouTube family. So by the way, we hit 1000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. So I just want to thank each and everyone for subscribing. It really means a lot to me. So now, why did I take a break and what did I learn from it? I think you might be interested in knowing that. So there are three reasons why I took a break. The first one is that I had exams. After finishing my podcast, I have a podcast. If you haven't yet watched it, you can check it out. I'll leave a card here. So I have a podcast, and after doing that podcast, I had few bites from that podcast that I put up on YouTube, but I did not actually shoot any other videos because I had exams. I had to prepare for my exams, and I prepared for my exams and I gave my exams, and that thing took for 2 months. It took away like 2 months of my time, and I did not actually think about making any videos, or I did not have any videos that I recorded before, so I did not upload anything for that too. So the reason number two is that after those 2 months of exams and all that, I had other plans. So I had this great idea for a short film, and I started writing that short film, and time just went by. And not just that, I had bigger plans for this channel, and I have to tell you, I just can't wait to make and show you guys what I have in my head. I mean, it's just out of the world, and I just hope I make those as soon as possible. I can't wait to show you guys what I have in my head. So anyway, I wanted to make that short film, and I had some other plans for the channel, but it took me for like 2 months to put it all together. And then again, I had my exams, got done with them, and then the second wave hit us. So I couldn't go out and shoot that short film I was planning to do. But then I did not upload anything because I wasn't ready to make anything else apart from that. So that's the second reason. So the third reason is that I did not know what else to make. So I had this great idea in my head. I wanted to make that short film, but then the second wave hit us, so I can't go out to make it. But then I don't have anything else in my head that I want to make. I was really not sure what to make for my YouTube because I made 6 short films at home. I have few more ideas that I can shoot at home, but they're not really exciting. So the third reason is that I did not know what else to make. So that's the reason why I took a break from YouTube. Those are the 3 reasons why I took a break from YouTube. So did the break help me in any way? So I took a break from YouTube intentionally to prepare for something that I wanted to make for a long time. But then all that preparation is now not really useful. So I don't know if that break helped me in any way. So will I take a break from YouTube in the future? Yeah, I might if I have to. Because great things take time to make, and I don't believe in making bad art just for the sake of consistency. So I might take a break in the future also. So if any one of you want to take a break from anything, so my advice would be take a break, but keep it short. Don't take long breaks because long breaks might even make you lazy. So keep it short, take a break, energize, and come back to conquer. So now that you guys know why I took a break and what I recommend, I think it's time for some announcements. So announcements. So I'm going to be making very different type of videos for some time. I have some ideas in my head that I think you guys are going to love. So yeah, that's one. And the second one is that I want to make live streaming a thing in this channel because I think it's really interactive and a lot of fun. So let's hang out on the live stream. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button and also share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in another video.